Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This video we are going to discuss about an AI tool which acts as a search engine, chatbot, and also you can upload the research paper in this particular tool, and also you can get that research paper analyzed and answer using this tool. So this is one of the fantastic option where you can analyze your reference paper, or else you can generate any content, research content, by giving prompt. So let us go on to today's video and explore the tool. And also important thing is that it acts as a search engine. So let us go on to today's video. Before going to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT. So how that research prompts can be useful for us to generate better content from ChatGPT. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So here is a best opportunity to join a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy sources interlinked with EV charging station, and also we are going to explore that different MPPT techniques employed in PV and EV charging, that is PV and wind energy sources, to grasp maximum amount of energy from that particular input renewable energy sources. And also we are going to have a live EV charging station in MATLAB and how that works out. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in EV charging design, don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you want to learn more about basics in MATLAB, so here is an opportunity to get a basics to advanced applications workshop. So this is a comprehensive workshop where you can learn basics in MATLAB. So in this workshop we are going to explore the MATLAB environment, syntax and 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and PI and PID controller tuning, and also we are going to explore different types of toolboxes like and face that is neural network, fuzzy logic toolbox. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you want to know more about the MATLAB basics, so here is the best opportunity. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the tool what we are going to discuss today is this mybrain.zone. So just click mybrain.zone. So it will lead to a dashboard like this here. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this mybrain.zone. So here I have already logged in with my mail ID. So here you can see, so this is the search the internet or add your own documents or sites. So you can search, it acts as a search engine. So in order to explore this mybrain.zone, so I have asked for a question that multi-port converters. So it has generated an answer like a chatbot. So here you can see multi-port converters are devices used in power electronics to convert power between more than two types of electric power sources. These converters can handle multiple inputs and outputs, making them versatile for various applications. They are commonly used in renewable energy system, electric vehicles and other areas where power needs to be converted between different forms. So these are the several types of multi-port converters, including DC to DC, AC to AC, hybrid AC to DC multi-port converters. So here comes our solution. So by giving input prompt, it will generate the answers for the question by analyzing the internet. So you can ask any question by giving input prompt. Another important option is that you can add file or URL. For example, I am going to add a file. So I am going to select a random file from my desktop, a research paper. So in order to do a analysis, so I am going to upload this research paper. So it will take several seconds to upload. Let us wait how it will come as outcome, whether it will give some possible or suggested questions asked like in other chat with PDF AI tools. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see doing AI magic. So we will see how this research paper can be, that is how we can ask questions with that research paper and how we can analyze the research paper. So here completed. So here you can having an option called completed. So after that click on continue. So here you can see that one file is added, and then go back. So this is the file. So this is the paper uploaded. So here you can see after uploading your paper, it will ask the question related with the particular paper, possible question. Here you can see what methodology is used to develop the mathematical design of a PV system. So in order to explore that, that is the paper I have uploaded. So you can go for this paper here. The paper I have uploaded is, so this is the paper I have uploaded. So optimization of a control parameters for a grid tied photovoltaic system at faulty network using neural network based cuckoo search algorithm. So this is the paper I have uploaded. So here you can see the questions related with the particular question is the questions related with the particular paper we have uploaded is generated. For example, if you want this answer, so click on that answer. So click on the question. So AI will answer for you. Here you can see the cascaded control widely used for controlling grid tied inverter, which uses multiple proportional integral controllers. This method, such as developing transfer functions, sliding mode control, fuzzy logic, neural network, 𝐸𝐬𝐴 for calculating design values of PI controllers used in the cascaded scheme. So after that, if you want it use that is explained like that, I am 5 years old, or rewrite using bullet points. Can you give a longer or more detailed explanation? So here you can click any of the option. For example, rewrite this in bullet points. I am going to click this rewrite in bullet points. So it will generate content for you. So it has asked for that is, I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to that question. Please try to rephrasing your question. So here you can ask questions. So for example, summarize the abstract of the paper. So this is the input question I am going to ask. So let us see how this will generate my brain AI content for us. So the content provided contains multiple sections and papers. So I cannot determine which abstract you are referring to. Could you please specify more specific information or clarity of a question? So what you can ask, abstract for the, I'm going to even give you a perfect prompt. Summarize abstract for the paper. So the paper we have uploaded, I have told that the paper we have uploaded is, so here you can see, so the prompt we are mentioning must be very clear and concise. So here you can see, summarize abstract for the paper, you have to give the paper title. So this paper proposed method of optimizing the controller parameters of grid tied photovoltaic system using artificial neural network. The study uses response surface methodology to develop mathematical design of the PV system and proposes modification of CSA algorithm to extract optimum parameters for the controller. So like that, it has generated answers. So in this my brain.zone, so you have to give a perfect prompt. So that prompt must be very understandable by that particular AI. So you have to very keen about giving the perfect prompt in this AI tool. So you can give a prompt and you can get a better answers. So like that, you can make use of this my brain.so, that is a brain assistant. So and make your writing very easy. So it is for free. There is no need to subscription option. It is a free AI tool. So you can make use of this option to generate more content using this tool. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.